Welcome back to my channel, friends. It's like Sonia here, and here we bring the spring YouTube hop with all the artists from all over India and internationally. And these are our generous sponsors, including me. And of course, we have some rules and regulations for this hop, and you need to make sure that you follow all of these. Now to start with my project, I decided to do a nice altered project for you all, and here I am using a tin box and I'm going to give it a nice makeover with the embellishments and my paints. So please do not forget to watch this video till end because this is really interesting and a beautiful and easy decorative piece making video. Now here I'm spreading my adhesive with my flat brush, and I just want to make sure that I cover the complete area with the adhesive, and once I am done with that, then I will start sticking my embellishments on my complete cover of my lid.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter.
This is how it looks after drying, and now I'm just marking with my pencil the bottom base where till my lid is going to come, so that I can paint on the remaining areas. And to make that area secure, I am going to use my Abro tape, and then I will start coloring on the remaining complete box.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, souvenir impossible à...
Now for prepping up my base, I need to have gesso, and here I have decided to use a white color gesso. I am going to use this and cover up my complete project, like from the cover to the base, and I will make sure that I apply generous amount of gesso. Now here I am using a sponge topper. If you are more convenient with the paint brushes, you can even use that. Cover it completely and then your base will be ready to have some really nice colors on the top of it.
Impossible à effacer, que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Impossible à effacer, impossible à effacer, que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Impossible à effacer, que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Impossible à effacer, que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur a sculpté de son ciseau d'orfèvre des souvenirs impossible à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur a sculpté de son ciseau d'orfèvre des souvenirs impossible à effacer.
So it's time to play around with the colors. Now here I have two sprays. One is from Lindy, the other one is from Crafty Scrappers, and I am going to spray this on my complete bottle. So I wanted more of a green color, then I wanted to add a tinge of grapevine juice shade. So I will be doing these two colors on my jar, and I just wanted to make sure that even the sides are also covered properly. So I am going to spray both the sprays on the sides also. If you want, you can even use the varieties of colors you have, the acrylic paints, the metallic paints, the chalk paints, and I'm sure you are going to love the results.
Impossible à effacer, le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur a sculpté de son ciseau d'orfèvre des souvenirs impossible à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur a sculpté de son ciseau d'orfèvre des souvenirs impossible à effacer. Impossible à effacer, que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Impossible à effacer, impossible à effacer.
So once my spray work is done, it's time to add some more drama to it, and here I have a nice acrylic color. These are the colors which is used to give a nice vintage and dusky look to your project. So here with my fingers I'm going to just highlight my embellishments, and I'm going to make sure that I do it really well, because this gives a nice antique look. And you can see I have just showing you on few of the embellishments that it looks absolutely gorgeous. It completely gives a new look to your project and add some more drama for sure. Now I'm more comfortable in doing this technique with my fingers, because I just feel that I know how much amount of color I will be using, so I just do this with my fingers. If you are not comfortable, then you can always use any of your paint brushes and do this step.
Impossible à effacer, impossible à effacer, à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. 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 Impossible à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu.
When all the paint work is done, it's time to seal it up, and here I'm using my water-based varnish, and I just wanted to make sure that it stays well, and I'm going to have good 2-3 coats of varnish for this project. And yes, you need to do the varnish work only when your all the colors, the gesso, the paints have dried out really well, so you will have to give it a good time for that. So yes, with this my project is done, and I really hope that you'll enjoyed this tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do follow the rules and do participate. Thank you. Bye bye.